Hey guys and girls, welcome back to the channel this afternoon. Just got myself a brand new Toro gasoline powered walk behind mower. This is called the Recycler. Want to do a quick, just going to unbox, show you what it looks like, and do a quick review. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, here, let's get the box open. Got the knife out here. Let's see what all comes here. Come see how it's packed in the mower and in the box. Looks like it came with some pretty good packing materials. Let's do this. I'm gonna put this to one side. Looks like it came with a quart of SAE 30 weight motor oil, so that's good. I'm going to open this up so that we can, looks like we're going to have to put the handle on it. Get that pulled out. Oh, I love the fact that the rear bagger is already on the frame. You don't have to put that on. That's pretty handy. I'm going to set that there. Let's see. Okay, so looks like to put this handle on, I've got to remove the bolts here. One on both sides. One there. Does come with an operating manual. That'll be something you're going to want to keep. Also, unwrap the motor. This does come with the Briggs and Stratton mower motor, which I really love. Briggs and Stratton's been around a long time. Let's go ahead and take the covering off. I'll probably have to use my knife. So I'm gonna put the handle together here, and then we'll go from there. So guys and girls, one of the main features I really love about this, and this is the first mower I've ever had that had this feature in it, is there's no oil changes. You no longer have to change the oil on these things, which is such a headache to change oil on a lawnmower if you've ever had to do it before. No more oil changes. So all you need to do is check the level regularly, keep it at the recommended level while you're using it, and never ever have to do an oil change. It's green because you don't have to worry about getting rid of the oil, making a mess on the driveway or in the lawn. It's just great. So that was one of the features I definitely wanted to make sure that you were aware of, that there's no oil changes. And while we're talking about no oil changes, in the comments section below this video, I'd like to see people give me their opinion on what do you think about not having to do oil change on your lawnmower. Do you like it? Do you not like it? You know, anyway, in the comments section, you know, I'd appreciate you just letting me know. I'm kind of curious if everyone else is excited about that as I am. The last thing I wanted to talk to you about was the warranty on this thing. This thing comes with a 3-year warranty on the Briggs and Stratton motor, 2-year warranty on the rear bagger and all the other stuff. One of the things they tell you to do is here on the side of the mower is all of the information. So what I recommend you do is just take a quick photo with your phone or scan the QR code, and it'll take you to Toro's website. What I did was I just took a picture of the phone with my phone of the warranty tag there, went to Toro's website, and registered. It took, you know, less than 5 minutes to register. Okay guys, back to the mower. I've done a couple things here. I've put oil in the engine and I've put some fuel in the tank. So one of the things I wanted to let you know, just like most mowers these days and time that run on gasoline, all you need to put in here to run this engine is standard unleaded fuel. So you don't need to run premium in it or anything like that. It runs on just standard unleaded fuel. The mower comes with a bottle of SAE 30 weight oil. In Texas and in the south where we have warmer temperatures, you want to run a 30 weight oil in here. Instructions tell you that the first initial oil add, you add the entire bottle when you're setting this up. So make sure that you add the oil and fuel before you oil first, then fuel. You don't want to start this engine without the oil. On this side over here is the oil stick. It's got a bottom and a top mark on it, so you want to keep the oil in that range, and then it just twists. The instructions tell you to take this up here and wrap it in the handle holder. That way you don't have to bend down to pull the rope. You can be standing right here and start the engine. So let's move that out of the way. Come a little closer here. I want to show you the wheel adjustment. On the front wheels, you have one handle that adjusts both sides. So you can go down or you can lift it up. I have it up all the way now to the highest setting. This is a 21-inch mower in width, and it has a 140cc Briggs and Stratton gasoline motor on it. On the back side, same thing. Let me spin it around here so you can see it. Here's the adjustment for the height. You can go all the way down or all the way up. You adjust it on this one side, it raises the whole rear of the mower up and down. It does come with a rear bagger. Very simple. Like I showed you earlier, the bagger was all put together. I didn't have to do anything to it. All you have to do to add it to the mower is lift this lid. If you'll come a little closer, you'll see what the lid looks like. Now, if you're just going to mulch and you don't care about catching the clippings, you can leave this closed, start the mower, and mow just like normal. If you want to use the rear bagger, all you have to do is lift the lid, take this, it sits right here in place. It's easier if I do it while I'm standing. Some of these I've seen are easier to, there you go. There's a slot here on the sides where these fit. I'm going to show you again. Slot here and a slot here. So all you got to do is line it up, get it in that slot. See, this holds it in place. You're good to go. I want to talk to you about the safety feature on it. This is the brake, engine brakes, what they call this. When you pull this handle back, you can start the mower. You want to stop it, release the handbrake, it kills the mower. That is a safety feature. It's been in place for quite some time, and it's really handy. You can see there's also another handle here. This is what engages the rear wheel drive. So after you start it, you're holding the top handle down, you start, rear wheel drive, just pull up, and so just so you know, I have a different model mower, and this is what I consider an entry-level walk behind mower by Toro. They make some more expensive models. This one runs around $2.99 at Home Depot. But one of the things I like about it is it's not so heavy. So if your wife or if maybe you're an older individual like I'm getting to be, a lighter weight mower is easier to maneuver and doesn't take as much upper body strength to get around. I like that about the Toro. Toro makes a good quality mower, and have been making mowers for quite some time. You know, it's a 21-inch spread. They make some that are 22, so you can go up from this model, but this is what I consider the entry level. It's still got good quality, got a great engine on it. Like I said, Briggs and Stratton's been making engines for probably nearly 100 years, so they're phenomenal. My overall review on this is great. one of the things I want to do is I want to show you how the rear bagger works. If you can see, I've got some leaves that have fallen, and a lot of times what I'll do is I'll use the bagger here and the mulcher and just, you know, mulch some of the leaves. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower the down maybe one notch on the back and another notch on the front. Not trying to really mow the grass as much as I am trying to just pick up some of the leaves. So I'm going to disengage the engine brake. One pull. Anybody can start this. You don't have to have a lot of muscle on it. So let's just see how it goes. Okay, so really what I was trying to show you is how well it picks up the leaves. Look here, guys. So if it's fall like it is now, that's really the only time I usually ever use a rear bagger. But it's great. You can get a blower, blow up all your leaves, put the rear bagger on this mower, run it over the leaves. It'll mulch them, put them in the bag, and then you can put them in the trash. Great for just everyday mowing. Again, this is an entry-level mower, but I think it'd be great for you know, smaller lawns, older individuals, women, even your kids can maneuver this mower because it's light enough. However, it does have a steel frame. This is not plastic. So, you know, I think you should get years of use out of it. Again, if you like this video, if this was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button. Make sure you share with your friends and family and subscribe. And until next time, stay safe.